guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's class we are learning how I achieve this very beautiful design. So first and first, I'll be using this to form the base, and this is just my millinery wire that was wrapped with a thread. So I measured it out, tied it to form a circle, and then I used the regular sewing thread to wrap it all round. Okay, so you can use the matching thread of that of your crinoline. Okay, so next thing was to place it on my net fabric, on this plain net, and then I'm going to be pulling it all together at the center. You use this method also to form a kind of a satellite fascinator. Okay, so when you pull it all together, you can go ahead to tie it and then cut off the excesses like this remaining parts. You cut it off, okay? So that is simply what I did to achieve the base where I'll be creating the crinoline layers. All right, if you are new to this channel, this is Nikki Collection channel on YouTube, and I create DIY content on how to make your fascinator designs and some very beautiful headwears. Okay, so if that is the kind of content you would love to see, go ahead to hit the subscribe button to stay updated once I drop my tutorials. All right, so at this center, make sure to cut it off, trim it off well so that it doesn't bulge that much there. Okay, so my base is ready. Let's go ahead to create the crinoline layer. So this is my crinoline and I'm using two different colors. I'll fold it into two and pin it down, and then I'll also do this for the second color and also join the both of them together. When I'm done doing this, I will show you what it will look like. And meanwhile, the length I used for this very fascinator was length of 55 inches for my crinoline. So assuming after watching this tutorial you love yours to be very big, then you should be using a length that is way longer than mine. Okay, so let me go ahead to sew it on my sewing machine. I will return back. Okay, right here I have sewn it together. You can see that. So let me also quickly tie the head. I will first of all apply my glue, and after which I will tie the head. Then I will go ahead and start creating the layers. Okay, if you enjoy my tutorials while you're watching it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section and I will respond to you as well. Okay, thank you all for joining me in today's class. Okay guys, so I'm done doing this. Now the next step is to start forming the layers. Okay, so while doing this, you can pin it first, after which you sew. And I will be starting at, you notice that I didn't start at the edge. I pushed it inwards a bit. Okay, so and I pinned it down. Now to pin the next one, you are going to be creating a little pleat. Don't make it so obvious. Just a little pleat. It will help to make this crinoline to relax. Okay, you can actually, create yours without doing this so that you also see how it will form. Okay, but if you want to make it more relaxed while pinning it, just create a little pleat that won't be so visible. Okay, just at that point. Okay, and one thing you should also do is you can actually mark mark the points how you want to move it all around. Like mark it maybe with your chalk or your pen, then you follow the points and pin it all the way around. All right, so keep watching and keep enjoying this tutorial. Don't forget to like, to share, and also leave me a comment if you have any question. Then when we get at the end of the other uh, edge, I will also show you how I was able to form the rows. So keep watching and keep enjoying the tutorial. Guys, it's just a little length that is left, so I'm just going to be tying the head as well, just I've done at the beginning of this before even creating the layers. Okay, so after tying it, I will show you how I will be able to form a rose that will also cover up the 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 stitching, whatever stitching you are going to be doing at that top. I'll use the rows that I formed to also be able to cover it up. Okay, so what I will do simply is to create a kind of a loose stitch, a running stitch with my hand needle and thread, after which I will pull to form the rows and then go ahead to also stitch it down. All right, so keep watching, and I hope you are finding value in this tutorial. If you do so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, guys, I hope you followed up through and you can see how I was able to use that rose to also cover it up. Can you see what it formed? You can simply use this as a fascinator on its own, or you can actually use it on your turban or to design your hat. You can go ahead to also style it with some pearls, some feathers, all right? So what is left now is those places that you fixed your pin on. Take it right away to your sewing machine and you go ahead to sew it down. Or you can use the same method I'm using here, which is to hand stitch it. Okay, it's time consuming. It may take more time than that of sewing with a sewing machine, but just in case you don't have a machine, you can as well hand stitch all through. Okay, you hand stitch it. Make sure that for all those places that you pleated, that you actually stitch those places, so that once you remove the pins, your design will remain as you have created it. All right, I hope you find value in this tutorial and I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. So I will see you all in my next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you love content like this. Don't miss it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you stay updated once I upload new tutorials. And if you enjoy my tutorials, go ahead to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Thank you all for joining me in today's class.